Hey guys, welcome to our channel. In this video, you'll learn on how to convert Canva website to Wix. So here, as you can see, I have two tabs. So the Canva website and then my Wix website. Okay, so make sure to log in both of your accounts. And what we're going to do here on a Wix Studio, we can create a new site or edit an existing website. Okay, so as you can see right here, I have different websites. For this video, we are going to focus on how we can convert a Canva website to Wix using an existing website. So I'm just going to select this website for now. And then the next thing that you should do, as you can see, this website is all about makeup. So I'm going to create a section right here where I can put the Canva website. Okay, so to add a section, all you have to do is to click on the above page, and then you'll be able to see here the add sections option. Just simply click on this one, and then another section will be added. So let me just change the background color for this one for you to see it clearly. And then after that, we can now leave this page. Now let's go to Canva. And what we're going to do first right here is to use the search bar to tap, and then I just have to type out website. Okay, after that, you'd be able to see here different templates that you can use. But for this video, we are going to focus on how we can create a blank website. Okay, so we are just going to click on the create a blank website option, and then just wait for a couple of seconds and you'll be able to see this page. Now let's start designing our Canva website. Okay, so as you can see right here, we have templates, layout, and styles. You can also use the search bar to tap if you want to search for a specific template related to your website on Wix. Okay, so for this video, I'm going to add 2 pages in Canva, and then let's go back to the design section. Okay, so yeah, I'll change my mind. I'm just going to use maybe template from Canva for this video. Okay, but we're just going to use 2 pages for now. Okay, so I think this one would do. Okay, so to add a page, you just have to simply click on the page that you want to use, or you can also drag and drop. So I think this one would do for our first page. And then for the second page, I'll be using this one. Okay. Okay, so I think this one is better. So you just have to simply drag and drop or simply click on that page. Okay, so now let us start customizing the pages that we have added and make it our own. Okay, so let's start with the color of the text above. Okay, so just click on it and then select the color of the text that you want to use. Okay, then if you want to change the font style, just have to simply click on the font section. Then you'd be able to see here different font style, and then you just have to choose the best one. And next is we are going to add now our images. So just simply click on this one, go to the upload section, click on upload an image or video, and you'll be directed to your folder. Now let us add or upload the images that we are going to use. Now just click on open after that and wait for a couple of seconds, and you'll be able to see here now the images that you have uploaded from your computer. Now you just have to simply drag and drop the image into the frame. So we have 3 frames right here. I'm going to use the first 3 images. Okay, and then we can also remove the text below the images if you want to. So I think this text is necessary for my website, so we're just going to remove them. Okay, so you also have here a button. Next one is this page. So I'm going to change the image for this one as well. So I'm going to use the 4th image. You just have to simply drag and drop your last image. You'll be able to see that right here. Okay, so for the last touch, I'm going to change the color of our backgrounds. So I'm going to change this into this color. So I think this one is related or relevant to our current design and our Wix website. Okay, so once you're done and you have finalized all of your designs, okay, so before we publish this website, let me just change the color of the text for the second page. Okay, so now that you're ready, you just have to simply click on the publish website at the top right of your screen. That's right. Then after that, make sure to click on the resize in mobile and then create your website URL. After that, click on publish website. Okay, so this one. Now you just have to wait for a couple of seconds until your website is ready. Okay, so we're almost there and done. Now you just have to close it. Okay, the next thing that you should do is to go back to Wix Studio or to your Wix website. Next thing that we should do here is to simply click on the add elements option or the plus icon at the top left of your screen. That's right, and then go to the embed and social. Now, as you can see right here, we have the embed code. So just have to simply click on this one. And then this embed code layout will be added now to this section. So what we're going to do is to simply click on the enter code, and then you can now go back to Canva and then click on the share option at the top right and make sure that this website is live, so we can see that right here. And after making sure that this website is live, just click on more and click on embed. Now you just have to simply click on embed to confirm and then copy the HTML embed code. So just copy this one, go back to your Wix website, and then just have to paste the code right here. So make sure to select the code option and then remove this text and then paste your code and then click on update after that. Once you're done, just click on the X icon. You'll be able to see here now the design that you have created in Canva. So all you have to do here now is to stretch or resize your Canva design. Okay, so you just simply click on it and you'll be able to see this option. So you just have to drag the Canva design to resize it. Okay, and then after that, before you publish this website, you just have to simply click on the eye icon or the preview icon. Just simply click on it, and then when someone visits your website and clicked on the stretch icon, they'd be able to see the details of your design. So embedding a Canva website into Wix lets you combine Canva creative design with Wix powerful website building tools. This allows you to keep your visually stunning Canva layouts while using the Wix features like SEO tools, drag and drop customization, and app integrations. So that's it for this video. If you think this video helped you solve your concern, please subscribe, like this video, and leave your comment below. Bye.